The DVW extension identifies a DataVolley scout file containing volleyball match statistical scouting data from the DataVolley analysis application. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you open, analyze, or export these sports analytics files. We'll start with the common fixes, but keep this in mind. I have a specialized DVW tool that functions as a deep-level recovery option. That's Plan B. DVW files are match scouting files from DataVolley, a volleyball statistical analysis application by Data Project. They contain detailed play-by-play match data, including player actions, skill ratings, rally sequences, and performance statistics for competitive volleyball analysis. DataVolley DVW files use a structured text format, storing match metadata, team rosters, and coded play sequences. Each play is recorded with player number, skill type, quality grade, and rally outcome, enabling comprehensive statistical analysis of volleyball performance. We suggest testing the DVW file first with the utility DataVolley from Data Project. Full file integrity and validation must be managed by the proprietary software. Windows displays only partial information, so correct interpretation must be done in the appropriate software. Your first step towards successfully opening the file. Right-click the DVW file and select Open With. If DataVolley is on your system, try that first. If not, try another option immediately. A test is required. When a DVW file fails to open, it is usually for a basic reason. We're close to getting this fixed. If the file is still giving you problems, we've narrowed the cause to 3 items. Here are the culprits and the precise checks required. First, opening the file. Install DataVolley from dataproject.com and open the DVW file via File Then Open. The application displays the match with complete statistical breakdowns, including attack efficiency, passing quality serve statistics, and reception performance for both teams. Next, analyzing match data. Use DataVolley's analysis tools to generate player and team statistical reports from DVW data. View attack distribution charts passing quality graphs and rotation analysis. Compare performance across matches by opening multiple DVW files for trend analysis. Finally, exporting statistics. Export DVW match statistics as CSV or Excel files for custom analysis. Generate formatted PDF reports for coaching staff and team meetings. Use the data export features to feed statistics into external analytics platforms or custom visualization tools. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. Since we tried everything on the format, it's time for the professional fix. FileMagick is your best bet for files that are unreadable by Windows or standard open source programs. You can find it at filemagick.com. Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution.